Srimanarayana. 23rd sloka of first chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat after me. Yotsyamanaan aveksheham yayetetra samagataah dhartarashtrasya durbuddhe युद्धे प्रियचिकीर्षवः Om. The message of this sloka is need to be very careful not only with the bad people but also with the people those who are supporting the bad. And Sri Krishna Paramatma gives a final message in Bhagavad Gita 18th chapter saying that, "Oh my dear child, please come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja." Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Srimanarayana, I shall be careful with not only bad people but also with those who support the bad. Ho Srimanarayana, I shall come to you, surrender to you, alone. Karishye vachanam tava, sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamakrityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis," Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshit Narendra," Sukracharya saying to Balichakravarti like this, "O Raja, this Brahmana, he came here only to abduct all your Aishwaryam, all your prosperity, all your wealth, and to give away to your enemy Indra. That is what the entire network is done by Sakshat Sri Mahavishnu, and to implement that mission, Sri Mahavishnu came down in this form of Brahmana. O Raja, you already gave a word to him that you would give away 3 feet of land. Tribhihi kramaihi iman lokan visvakayah kramishyati. The moment you give away that 3 feet of land, this Brahmana is going to spread all over the worlds, all 3 worlds. O Chakravarti, O Bali, you have done such a severe mistake. Sarvasvam Vishnave Dattva. After you give away everything to Sri Mahavishnu, you have nothing to be living here. You cannot live. How are you going to be living? Monasi jagamulella moodu padambulan akhila kayundaguchu akraminchu. The moment you give away 3 feet of land along with water, immediately this magical man, this Kapata Brahmana, this Sri Mahavishnu, with his unlimited body, he is going to spread all over 3 worlds. Then how are you going to live? Like that, Sukracharya saying to Bali Chakravarti. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Amarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 1st chapter, 23rd sloka. Yotsyamanaan aveksheham yayetetra samagataha dhartarashtrasya durbuddhehe yuddhe priyachikirshavaha. Yotsyamananaveksheham yayetetra samagataha dhartarashtrasya durbuddhehe yuddhe priyachikirshavaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.